At first, connect your computer or mobile phone to the router using an Ethernet cable or Wi-Fi. Once your computer or mobile phone is connected, open a web browser and go to 192.168.0.1. Now log into your router's panel. Type the administrator password you have previously set. Enter the login password you have previously set. Then click on Login. At the top left, click on the Wireless tab. Then click on the Wireless Security tab. Now you can see your current Wi-Fi password. Enter the new Wi-Fi password you have chosen. Wi-Fi password must contain at least 8 characters. Scroll down for the save options. Then click on Save. Wi-Fi password change setting successfully. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Hit the bell icon to get the latest video update.